Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well and you will be rocking after watching my this video. So let's start. Today I will going to reveal my 10x, 100x, 1000x gem for you. The project which I am very much bullish about because this is real gem. Today I am revealing about this lightning protocol. So let's check this video, let's check this tokenomics, let's check about this team. Today we will going to sell very good project for you to buy, to pick and to hold for your lovely future. So let's start with the website Lightning Protocol. Lightning is bringing decentralized venture capitalist to Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain पे वो अपना वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट ला रहे हैं. लाइक दे आर स्टार्टिंग इंक्यूबेशन प्रोग्राम द cryptocurrency projects which will be going to launch. Whoever wants to launch their coin, they can launch on a Lightning launchpad, Lightning ecosystem. So they are almost creating ecosystem with incubation and venture capitalist and many overall support to launch your coin. Let's take the tokenomics first of all. 6080 holders है. Let's check with their Twitter first of all. Twitter handle Lightning Defi is their Twitter handle. What are the news continuously coming from their side? Before 9 hours they have admitted their CertiK audit. No CertiK audit. So they have audited before, but they have officially announced their partnership with CertiK. Now, who is CertiK? Check yourself. CertiK is the firm who is auditing these protocols, these IDOs, and these coins for you, for me, and for everything. Because scams are there in this cryptocurrency market. So CertiK and many other firms, but CertiK is best, I think. They have their coin also, which is trading on Binance on around $3. So at 21st they have released their IDO tier structure. Let's check their IDO tier structure. Lightning protocol along with the Lightning incubation, their Lightning squeeze, and their tokenomics about decentralized venture capitalist, Lightning protocol, Lightning incubation, Lightning cycle. The best thing about this is this protocol, which I love, is 156 cycle. That is Lightning cycle. They have that is unique thing about this project is Lightning squeeze and Lightning rebase. Lightning rebase positive cycle. What is Lightning rebase positive cycle is this Litecoin will undergo through 156 unique Lightning cycles. After completion of every cycle, holders will get rewarded from 5% to 12%, and the initial supply will burn continuously. And there is positive rebase. What is positive rebase? What I understand from positive rebase is while after burning process of every coins, the holders will get more and more coins deposited in their wallets. अभी चल रही है 44th cycle and soon it will completed their 50 cycle. Yeah, the Lightning incubator, the latest development on Binance Smart Chain. You need to go through this white paper in detail to conduct your own research, but let me explain you some benefits and this part. Why we are buying today, why we are picking some coin today itself, because of IDO participation program they have launched. They have created tier structure for the people who is already holding Litecoins, bronze, silver, gold, and that one is diamond. So if you are holding 5,000 to 10,000 Litecoins in your wallet at any time, while at the time of IDO, you will get a bronze tier structure. What is happening in bronze tier structure? You will get definite allocation of some coins at a particular timing while you are investing in their IDO, in investing in their new projects. Okay, so of course IDO का बेनिफिट तो आपको पता ही होगा. अगर IDO में कुछ अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको पिक हो जाते हैं, सो एट वेरी इनिशियल स्टेज दे कैन बूस्ट योर वॉलेट विथ 10x, 100x और 1000x. बहुत सारे IDOs जो अभी आए हुए हैं जिन्होंने 100x का गेन तो मिनिमम ही दिया हुआ है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड थिंग कि आपको अश्योर है. अगर आप डायमंड स्ट्रक्चर में भी बैठते हो तो दैट इज अश्योरिंग यू दैट यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड बाय एटलीस्ट सम ऑफ द कॉइन्स एज पर देयर स्ट्रक्चर. दैट यू नीड टू सी द टोकोनॉमिक्स फर्दर. देन yes. About their marketing, they are continuously available on Twitter. They are continuously 24-hour they are replying and they are continuously available. Development team, around 11 to 12 people development team is available continuously on Telegram channel, so you can contact there also. Yeah, the best thing about this is deflationary supply elasticity protocol that I'll reveal in my next video. What is deflationary supply with elasticity protocol? That we will discuss further because it's long subject. Lightning cycle, lightning squeeze and lightning rebase. That is making that is creating something uniqueness for this project. After this project, many projects came with the same rebase system and same squeezing system, but this is the original one. So I am very much bullish on this. And अभी का उसकी प्राइस की बात करें, let's check the graph. Let's check the graph first of all on PooCoin.app. Let's check this, where it came from 0.0065, 0.002, then it reaches to high of 0.62. then ग्राफ में भी बहुत बुलिश है, बहुत ही बुलिश है. मेरा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टारगेट रहेगा यहाँ से $1 का, अभी 0.41 पे है. दैट विल इमीडिएटली, इफ एनी गुड न्यूज़ और एनी सिंगल इंक्यूबेशन रिलीज हो गया इस पे, सो इट विल ईजीली बूस्ट टू $1, $2 and $3. But I am bullish long term on this project particularly. So you need to hodl to get the maximum benefit of this project. Do your own research. You can buy it on a PancakeSwap by adding your BNB coin on Smart Chain wallet, and you can buy there. So let's go for now. Bye bye. I will keep updated you on Lightning protocol. Bye bye. See you.